So what's going on, guys? Triple M here. Today's video, I'm bringing you what I think is the best case for your AirPod. Now this does work on your first as well as second generation AirPod. However, on the second gen, it doesn't allow for wireless charging. Now these cases are full aluminum, guys. It does have rubber inserts, and I will be showing you guys that in a little bit. And also, please check out Kikilo's Facebook page. I will be leaving a link in the description. They are the sponsors of this video, and definitely head over to their Facebook, drop a like, and they do have a giveaway coming up for this device. Now this comes in a nice protective case, guys. This is rubber, leather, and it offers good transport for this. Now this is the red version. This is full aluminum on the outside. On the inside, it does have the rubber insert, so does offer the protection as well as an exterior shell. Does have some designs on the side. Does have a hook right there, and I'll show you guys how that works. Charging port in the bottom. No issues with cable clearance, whether it's a default cable or a third-party cable, guys. No issues getting in there. It also works on the wireless stands, as I do own one, and no issues there as well. It does have the AirPod outlines on the front. Does have access to the pairing button on the back. So installation for the AirPods, pretty straightforward. This is the front. Slide the front in like that. Slide the top on. And you're basically done, guys. Opens easily. Close easily. Looks good. Sturdy. And just like that, your AirPod is protected. Now, do have some more accessories in the case, so let's go ahead and check it out. So in the actual case, you do have a key ring that in, so this actually locks in, guys. Screws all the way over like this. And that way your device will be secure. Now this part actually goes on to the side like so. All right, unscrew this part, hook it on. Now you can easily secure this to your backpack, to your belt, whatever the case is, and your device will be protected and secure, guys. Pretty cool. So what else is in the box? Now this part actually attaches to your Apple Watch, guys. So Apple Watch right here, you'll slide this on like this. Some people actually like this on their watch, that way they can pull it out easily. So this way you can just go ahead, put your AirPods in, so that way if you're working out, you can just slip it on like this. And then you do have them there where you can easily get to them. So you do also have these silicone inserts, guys. And for some of you that have issues with these staying in your ear, these are pretty easy to install. So you go ahead and just slip it on like so. Pretty straightforward. Same thing with the other one, guys. Slip it on. And that way when you actually put this in your ear, this will stay a little bit better. Only downside is that this doesn't allow you to put this in the case and keep it secure. So that's another option. They also have this where if you guys like your AirPods on a string, you can go ahead and attach them like this. All right. Now you can actually put them in your ear. You do have this around your neck. Don't really see the use for these, especially if the AirPods are secure, but these are included if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. So like I said, these cases offer the best of both worlds. External protection, silicone insert that actually keeps it from being damaged, guys. So these, like I said, are $13 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put links in the description where you can check them out, guys. But like I said, all the different colors. They do have a nice green color here. You do have black with the yellow inserts. You do have pink, rose gold, blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. You have the black with the black inserts. Do have purple as well as green. And like I said, these are pretty cheap on Amazon, $13.95, and you do get a lot. You do have the attachment. Go ahead and keep it secured. Do have the mount for your watch. Do have the silicone inserts for your ears. You do have the straps, and last but not least, you do have a nice case that will keep your device protected. So like I said, I'll put Amazon links in the description where you go ahead and pick them up. If you guys own an AirPod and you want me to do a giveaway, please drop a comment in the comment section below. Just say Triple M, I own an AirPod, I want one, please. enter for this giveaway. For everybody else, check them out on Amazon. Also, don't forget to go to their Facebook page, hit that thumbs up because they're sponsoring this video. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions about this, please drop them in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up as well, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.